Let's take a look at the software-only solution from Hitachi Global Storage Technologies that will allow your new Hitachi 3TB internal drive to be fully recognized by your Windows XP operating system. In this short video, we'll guide you through how to install and set up your new Hitachi 3TB internal drive using the Hitachi GPT Disk Manager software. No additional hardware is needed to make the Windows XP operating system recognize the full capacity of your new drive. It is strongly recommended that you back up any data before using the Hitachi GPT Disk Management software. Before we get started, let's take a moment to examine who needs this. Windows XP operating systems will need to download, install, and use the free Hitachi GPT Disk Manager software before the internal drive will be recognized by the system. Windows Vista, Windows 7, and Mac OS X operating systems are already designed to accommodate large capacity drives and will not require this software. Unfortunately, NVIDIA chipsets are not supported by Hitachi Global Storage Technologies at this time. Please consult with your computer manufacturer for details on your computer's chipset. First, let's verify that the Hitachi 3TB drive is connected and recognized by your system. The new internal drive will not be visible in My Computer, so instead let's open up Disk Management. Right-click on My Computer and select Manage from the menu. If the drive is recognized by the system, it'll appear as an unknown disk. You'll also notice the drive only shows a capacity of 746.51 gigabytes. Now that we have verified the drive is properly connected to the computer, let's close Windows Disk Management and download the Hitachi GPT Disk Manager software. The Hitachi GPT Disk Manager software can be downloaded by following the URL found in the documentation for your internal drive. Once you've downloaded the software from the website, we can get started. To install the software, follow the prompt selecting Next when needed until you reach the end of the installation. In order to complete the installation, you must check the box and click Finish. This will restart your computer and guide you through converting the drive to GPT. To begin setting up the new internal drive for your Windows XP system, select Convert Disk to GPT. You'll be prompted to select the 3TB drive. Make sure you identify the correct capacity, and then check the box on the left. When you're ready, press Next to continue. Click Yes, apply the changes physically. This will convert the drive to GPT and allow Windows XP to recognize the full capacity of your new drive. Converting the drive to GPT can take a few minutes. When it's complete, click Finish to return to the GPT Disk Manager home screen. It is highly recommended that you use the GPT Disk Manager to partition and format your new drive. Click on the Partitioning tab on the left and select Create and Format New Partition. Select your Hitachi hard drive. This should be identified by Basic GPT Hard Disk. When you're ready, select Next. From here, you're able to change the size of your partition. To use the full 3TB capacity, verify that the current size and maximum volume size show the same capacity and continue on to the next screen. Now we're ready to set up a drive letter and name. These are used to easily identify your drive. It's recommended that you only change the volume label and allow Windows to use the assigned drive letter. For our purposes here, I've entered Hitachi 3TB drive as the volume label. Again, select Yes, apply the changes physically, and click Next to continue. Depending on your hardware configuration, it may take several minutes for the format to complete. Now that the format's complete, go ahead and click Finish to return to the home screen, and then X to return to the desktop. Your drive is now ready for use. If you have any other questions about the GPT Disk Manager software or the 3TB internal drive, please visit our online customer support at www.hitachigst.com/support.